So let's talk about the trap of becoming the better lover. Many people respond by trying harder. They become more available. Yes, more accommodating, more forgiving. Yeah, they just will excuse anything and everything, right, to prove themselves. They overlook so many things to where they are losing themselves. More self-sacrificing. They think if I can just show them how amazing I am, they'll finally choose me. But here's the problem. The person creating the competition often isn't looking for a solution. No, it's not about a solution. It's like we're just going to continue this toxic lifestyle, this toxic behavior. They're looking for constant validation. They need it all the time because of their insecurities